Hello everyone, in this video we'll be solving a question that is related to algebra. You can see the question here. It is x minus 1 by x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by x to the power 1 by 2 equals to x. We have to find the value of x in this question. Okay, give it a pause and try to solve this. If you're not able to figure it out, then see the solution here. So let's see the approach. If you are thinking of taking one term to right hand side and then taking squaring both the sides, I think that will not work. It's a very interesting question because the answer to this is even more interesting. Let's see how to solve this. So first thing is, assume this term a is equals to x minus 1 by x to the power 1 by 2, and you assume b equals to 1 minus 1 by x to the power 1 by 2. Okay, let us assume these two terms are equal to a and b. Now, can I say, if I square both the sides, a square will be equal to x minus 1 by x, and if I square both the sides, this under root sign will go, so this will become 1 minus 1 by x. All right, so from here, what can we write? So we get two things. First thing is, when we assume a plus b, so we have first a plus b is equals to x. Call this as equation 1. Okay, because we have assumed this term to be a and this term to be b. A plus b is equals to x. This is our first equation. Okay, now we have a square and b square. Now subtract a square and b square. So a square minus b square. So we have x minus 1 by x minus 1 minus 1 by x. So when we do this, what do we get? X minus 1. Okay, we get this. Now, can I write a square minus b square as a plus b into a minus b, which is equals to x minus 1. Now, we already have what is a plus b. So what is the value of a plus b here? A plus b is nothing but x. So I can write here a minus b is equals to, this is x into x minus 1. Okay. So after this, we get a minus b is equals to x minus 1 divided by x, which is nothing but 1 minus 1 by x. All right. So this is the value of a minus b. Right. Now we have a plus b and a minus. Call this as equation 2. Okay. Now we can solve these two equations and write here a plus b is equals to x and a minus b is equal to 1 minus x. Now when I add these two equations, what will I get? B and b cancels out. 2a is equal to x plus 1 minus 1 by x. Now see here, x minus 1 by x. How much is it? Isn't it x minus 1 by x equals to a square? So I can write from here 2a is equals to a square plus 1, because x minus 1 by x is a. Now when we take all the terms to right hand side, we'll get a square minus 2a plus 1 equals to 0. So from here I can write a minus 1 whole square, which is equal to 0. Therefore a equals to 1. We get a equals to 1. Now we have to substitute the value of a in this equation. Okay, so let's see. Therefore, a square was equal to x minus 1 by x, and a we got it as 1. So 1 is equal to x minus 1 by x. When we solve this further, we'll get x square minus 1 by x, or x equals to x square minus 1, or x square minus x minus 1 equals to 0. This is what we will get. Now when we solve this further, we will get x equals to minus of minus 1 plus minus under root b square is 1 minus times minus is plus 4 divided by 2. So we get two values of x as 1 plus root 5 by 2 and we get 1 minus root 5 by 2. Now see one thing here. What is A? A is a under root term. So under root is a positive quantity. What kind of quantity is it? Positive quantity. And this is also positive quantity. Under root is a positive quantity. So therefore x cannot be negative, right? So x cannot be negative. That means our only solution is this one. 1 plus root 5 by 2. And we can neglect this. And 1 plus root 5 by 2 is only called as golden ratio. What it is called as? Golden ratio. Golden ratio. So I hope friends you like this video. Thanks for watching.